I did it. Mommy!
What? Oh, hey.
It's broken.
Well, just keep doing your puzzle. Pretend I'm not here.
Mommy, are you there?
I'm not here, nope.
Okay, you're not there. Can you hear me?
No.
Why?
You gotta look at the piece.
Daisy's got it.
No, don't hit her. Just focus. Hey, focus on your puzzle. Look at the piece. Look at the piece.
Are you there, Mommy?
I'm sort of here. No.
Hey, Mommy.
Hi. Look at Daisy. Stop it. That's a tricky one. I think that might have... Okay, move to a different piece.
Move to different piece. Move to different piece.
Ooh, good one.
Move to different piece. Move to different piece. Now this one.
48-piece puzzle, Blake.
What?
Give me a high five. You're
Now
very
put
good.
it in here.